Are you happy with the current growth of your YouTube channel? Almost every YouTuber wants to get more views and subscribers, right? In this video, I'm going to give you 5 tips that will increase the growth rate of your YouTube channel. Hello, my name is Herman Drost from DrostDesigns.com. If you want to learn how to grow your audience on YouTube and generate traffic, leads, and sales on autopilot, hit the subscribe button, then click the bell icon so you won't miss any future videos. So why isn't my YouTube channel growing, and how do I fix it? Here are some things to consider. Your thumbnails may not grab the attention of potential viewers. Your titles may not be written well enough for people to click on your videos. Your video content may not deliver the value that people are expecting. Your channel art may not clearly define what your channel is all about. You may not be targeting the right audience. Here are some questions to ask yourself. Why should I subscribe to your channel? What value do you bring to your audience? Are you being authentic so people get to know, like, and trust you? Are you producing videos that you enjoy making? Are you passionate about your niche? Here are 5 tips to increase the growth rate of your YouTube channel. Number 1, before you create your video, target the right audience. Think about the problems of your target audience and offer solutions in your videos. When you're shooting your video, think about that person on the other side of the camera that is your ideal subscriber. It could be a 34-year-old male that has 2 kids and loves dogs. When you sit down to write your script, think about the content that your viewers want to watch. Also, make sure your channel has congruent branding. There should be an easy path for the viewer to go from your thumbnail to the title to watching your video. When they land on your channel homepage, it should be easy for them to figure out what your channel is all about by observing your banner, your channel trailer, and also the playlists on your channel homepage. Number 2, create an engaging video. YouTube rewards videos that keeps people watching. If your average view duration is over 50%, it's more likely that your video will be promoted in YouTube search and YouTube suggested videos. Here are some things to consider to make your video more engaging. Ask a question at the beginning of the video to grab people's attention. Instead of reading from a script, jot down a few bullet points so you can stay on track while you're shooting the video. You come across more naturally than if you're just trying to memorize a script. Reset the attention of your viewer every few seconds on the video by using transitions, graphics, B-roll, linking to cards and end screens. Number 3, correctly optimize your video. If you want your videos to show up in search, then your title, description, and tags have to be correctly optimized. It begins with a great thumbnail and then your main keyword phrase in the title, description, and tags. Include a transcript of your video content so people who can't hear or don't have the sound turned on can still read the subtitles under your video. Click the card icon to watch my tutorial on YouTube tags. It will show you how to use the TubeBuddy extension to find the correct keywords for your videos. Number 4, promote your video. Promote your video to social media sites like Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Embed your video on your website and related websites so it'll show up in YouTube and Google. Create a customized subscribe link and add it to your social media sites. When somebody clicks on the link, an automatic red subscribe button will pop up. This makes it easier for them to subscribe to your channel. I'll link to a tutorial in the card on how to create a subscribe link. Add your videos to a playlist. The beauty of a playlist is that it keeps people watching successive videos in a row. Instead of watching a single video, related videos will appear at the end of the video. This makes it easier for the viewer to continue watching your videos, which means that you get more watch time. Getting more watch time on a single video or successive videos means that your videos will be promoted on other people's channels as well as in search. Number 5, monitor the performance of your videos. One of the biggest ranking factors on YouTube is watch time and audience retention. According to YouTube, if you can get your audience retention as close to 100% as possible, then they'll more frequently show up in YouTube suggested videos and in YouTube search. Here are some bonus tips to increase the growth rate of your YouTube channel. Collaborate with other YouTubers in your niche. This will expose your subscribers to a different audience and vice versa. Look for hot trends in your niche. If you jump on a hot trend in your niche, you'll get a ton of views and subscribers. Add a live stream to your channel. The beauty of live streams is that you get a lot of watch time on your channel because people are engaging live while you're on YouTube. Increase your upload frequency. If you're just uploading 1 new video a week, go for 2 times a week. By increasing the upload frequency of your channel, you'll get more visitors. My last bonus tip is consistency. I've been uploading new videos twice a week for a few years now. We also go live every Friday. The great thing about consistency is that people know when to show up for your next video. So if you keep a regular publishing schedule, it means that you're producing more videos for your channel, which increases the traffic to your channel. Now you know 5 tips that will increase the growth rate of your YouTube channel. If you want to grow your audience on YouTube and generate traffic, leads, and sales on autopilot, click the round subscribe button below and download my free YouTube evaluation worksheet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.